Yes, you're exactly right. The correct answer is D because you translated the exclusion very clearly, which means separation, yani ajratilish. Demak, pendulum swing bo'ldi unda, ya'ni o'sha ular fikrlashida butunlay change bo'ldi. Curriculumni medical science'ga o'tkazishdi va hech qachon humanity'ga qaytib kelishmaydigan bo'ldi. Va bu narsa never intended. Ya'ni Flexner, mana bu unforeseen degan so'zimiz bizda never intended degan ma'no bilan chiqib kelyapti. Ya'ni hech qachon u kutmagandi, xohlamagandi bunaqa bo'lishini degan ma'noda keldi. So, demak, bu savolning javobi bizda question 32 is D. Okay. So the next one. Endi Dalhouse School haqida, demak, keyingi paragrafimizda kelyapti bizda 33-34 savoli. Bu yoqda bizda hech qaysi biriga to'g'ri kelmadimi? Dalhouse ekan, bu yoqda ham to'g'ri kelmas ekan.
Yo'q, bu yoqda kelmaydi. Keyin mana bu 39 ham. 39, 33 и 34 bo'lar ekan. Hozir demak bittada shunchasi chiqar ekan, a? Bittani o'zida. Okay.
You have got 1 minute for the next passage and let's start.
Okay.
So your time is up. Okay. Qaysi savolimizni bizda javobi keldi?
Xo'p, demak 33 ta show how this activity manage activity show how this activity this question for this question answer for this question can be just have become most popular and can be
Listni beryapti-ya boshida. Ya'ni Dalhouse'da shunaqa narsalar bo'ladi. Ko'p fakultetlar bu narsani o'qiydi. O'quvchilar har xil narsalarni exhibit qiladi, deyapti. Va mana bu oxirgi gapidan olishingiz mumkin 33 ni javobini. Ya'ni bunaqa ko'p, lekin nimadir bildirmoqchi ular.
B maybe.
Qaysi variant tanladingiz?
B. Widen students' educational experience.
Aha. Ya'ni hayotlari balansda bo'lyapti, hayotlari va broaden the student life bo'lyapti. So bizning javobimiz bizda bo'ldi. B ni tanladingiz-a? Yes, it's correct. Ya'ni educational experience'larini kengaytiryapti va bu widen degan so'zimiz bizda broaden degan so'zga paraphrase bo'lib keldi. Okay, so the next one. Keyingi paragrafimizga o'tamiz. Bu yoqdan javobi kelmadimi? Chunki Dalhouse haqida gap ketgandi.
Dalhouse hozir buni ko'raylikchi avvalgi. Dalhouse study students and faculty. Mana shunda bor. Nima bo'ladi hozir? Hozir describe yo'q. A1 generate innovative and creative suggestion for activity and programs, I think.
Why you think?
Elective programs of humanity maybe is a synonym of this. Describe this.
Okay, so demak 50 olib turamiz, lekin bizda exactly tarjimasi kelgani yo'q hali. Keyingi paragrafni o'qib turamiz unda. So now perhaps bilan boshlangan paragrafimiz. Let's start. Another 1 minute. So your time is up. Okay, which one do you choose? For which question?
Searching for how do students react to human activity? Uh, so students see that diversity their studies activity legitimized and encouraged. It is a can be they also comment humanity has made medical school more enjoyable, fulfilling experience. Feel report feeling medical schools as more engaging, satisfying. Yes, satisfying synonym as
Yeah,
fulfill
enjoyable and
me,
fulfilling.
enjoyable, engaging. This
So
is
the answer
synonym.
would be
B.
yes, exactly. It's B. Ya'ni to'g'ridan to'g'ri paraphrase qilib kelyapti va bu narsa real examda tushgan passage hisoblanadi. Demak, unchalik ham let's say we should not be afraid of like the passage 3 in the exam. So
This passage 3,
yeah, it's passage 3.
I think it's the passage, this passage 1, because passage 3, you mentioned it previous. I think it's hard, difficult for understanding, finding that this text more
Understandable.
easy,
Yes.
maybe.
Maybe because this is something about education, because we are like education is common topic and we have read many articles about education in different contexts, so that might also be somehow interesting. Maybe we can say some texts or passages about NASA, like space, environment,
Mm,
or
yeah, yeah.
technology, psychology would be a bit more difficult.
Yeah, when the passage have there are several
Terminology.
specific vocabulary can be
Yeah, yeah.
uh, difficult in the passage.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Next, maybe teacher. Next, we have a extra this 39 students and faculty. 39 difficult describe suggest human static was strong participating risks. D encourage language. Important activities themselves changed mindset, innovative, creative suggestion. Students diversity studies activity linguists encourage. A I choose again A. I
Mm-hmm.
think.
Now, why you choose A? Why you are just, yeah, chose A?
Changed mindset means innovative
Yeah.
synonym.
We can say,
And
uh huh.
uh, creative